I know. I'm gonna eventually start upgrading it from Lucio's
Okay,
to
I'm
Ana's,
just gonna let you do everything.
and then after Ana,
Wow, aren't you nice?
I don't know.
I
Maybe
am
someday.
literally like out of it right now, so just
You better,
chill
you
out.
better, you better watch where you
really
poke that
getting
thing.
pissed off with this flipping chat.
Not everyone likes needles as big as that.
Stay here.
Every time I go to the doctor, they say I'm like the easiest patient to have because I honestly don't get or don't care about getting stabbed by needles.
Hi, Wolf. You do realize I can't see where everything is because of her body, right?
He's right in front of you. He's
Yeah, I don't even know where they are because I was being blocked. Ah!
Oh wait, you need healing. Where the fuck did I go? Oh my god, are you gonna add that part to the video though?
What?
The whole tracer thing?
Maybe. Whoop 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 whoop.
Can I have some?
Whoop whoop.
I bid you all farewell.
No, Christopher!
I'll heal you.
Don't leave us, Christopher!
Ah, I'm getting my phone bit, man.
Ah!
Heroes never die.
Oh, come on! You didn't
I
warn
may
me
be
he
on
was
fire,
still
but I'm
there.
still the weakest.
Doctor,
link
did
of
you
the
enjoy your
team.
second life?
Yay, we did it!
Let's try to hammer down like Honda.
I had no doubts that we would do it.
Sure.
I still haven't eaten dinner.
Go eat dinner then.
It's Saturday. I can eat dinner at like midnight if I want to.
Oh, are you still living with your brothers? Or, no, not with your brothers, but just alone with your brother?
What?
Are you still living alone with your brother?
Am I still doing what?
Are you living with your brothers still?
Of course I'm living with my brothers.
Or when do your parents get back?
Oh. I don't know, they might be back right now.
Oh, are they coming back today?
Wait, what do you mean? Where do you think they
Was
went?
your dad like on a business trip or something?
Oh yeah, he got back Friday.
Alright, bye, Wolf.
My stepmom was still here though.
Oh, so you didn't just have eggs and cereal every day?
Nope. We had biscuits and breakfast bowls. Although next month they're going on a vacation.
I keep forgetting to change her skin.
Oh, don't forget about the lavender oil for Monday.
Oh right, I have to get that from my stepmom.
The what?
We're making soap.
Oh, okay.
Why? So you can be bitter?
Yep. That's why. Yep.
He wants to be.
What about
He wants to be slippery.
have something to do with soap? We gotta choose our own scent. Apparently, Canon has lavender oil, so we're gonna use that.
I don't like those ladders.
Well, there's lavender, there's peppermint, there's orange, there's a bunch of them.
Smoking's bad for your health.
Well, I have faith you can get me patched back up, Doc.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
Cannon, I'm trying to read.
Nope, you don't get to read.
Okay, yeah.
Be fun having them hitting the wall.
Something about reading?
Oh, whoa, that's cool. I need to get that.
Get what?
Don't shoot the piggy!
I'm a crease spray. Ah, that looks awesome. Oh my god.
Oh, that's the new one from this event. Nope, Cameron's
And I
asleep.
fell asleep.
And
Great.
you're all purple. Okay. I got you. Oh, I don't got
You
you.
most certainly do
You're
not
dead.
have me.
I got killed.
Can someone jump out real quick? Save me.
Save him!
Let's move it out.
You know what?
I have
No,
a
I'm just gonna sit
wow.
in my corner.
I'm
Forever
gonna
sad
hide
and
behind the
alone.
cart and damage Spang the whole time.
Yay.
Oh,
Spang
I
Oh
can't see
crap!
you.
Got a headshot.
Spang sounds so happy about that.
Mmm.
See, he's
Spank's
very
never
happy.
except when I make them laugh.
Let's keep it moving.
I can do it, guys. I'm
You
gonna
will never
1v1
make me
Roadhog.
happy.
I did it, guys.
You didn't 1v1 him? I helped you.
Nope, that was on me.
Okay, then.
I swear.
Look, I 1v1 Zarya. I'm so great
Why did
because
you
we're...
fart into your microphone?
Wow, nice shot, Dark. Oh wait, he's not in our group. Never mind.
Oh my
Everyone
gosh,
asleep!
that was not.
There. I'm coming, buddy.
I'm gonna leave.
Why are you gonna leave?
The payload has reached the
Because I'm detrimental to
Oh,
the
boy.
team as I am.
No, you're not.
Ah, crap!
Oh,
What do you
you're
mean?
dead.
No, I'm not. I have
Oh.
300 ping. I'm bouncing around all over the place, and I'm not getting any damage or kills done.
Mmm.
Bad guys.
But we love you.
Heads up.
I died.
Spang
See,
got
like
it.
that dash didn't even hit the Lucio.
Payload secure. Move out.
Neither did that dash hit the freaking Bastion, whatever the fuck his name is.
More depressed than I am, that's saying something.
I'm the only one not on fire aside from Crimson, but he doesn't count.
Oh, gee, thanks.
victory.
Spang, you flew.
Oh.
Play of the game.
Wait, what the
Hey.
heck? Cat.
Yay, cannon!
Oh, it was double res.
Heroes never die.
What the actual shit? I get 4 kills with sniper and I don't even get it, and I double res all the time and I still don't.
See, I'm detrimental to the team. I didn't even get a card.
Okay, let's go out a good way.
Even though I've eaten like half a bag
Oh,
of
God.
bacon sunflower seeds.
Yes, let's go out in a good way.
I have water fluid on my desk, does that count?
We don't have a healer. Okay.
Ooh, I think we still have salami upstairs. Like, sandwich.
Actually, you know what? I'm gonna be Anna.
Wait,
And don't give me nano unless you think it's actually worth it, because I'll probably fail your expectations.
I have literally zero expectations for anything. You can ask Cameron.
Attackers
What?
in 30 seconds.
No.
I said I have literally zero expectations for anything. You can ask Cameron.
squeeze up in here.
This is so wrong.
Oh,
Crimson Summit! I'm not doing this.
5,
I came out.
3, 2,
Oh,
1.
Oh
Attackers
god.
defend objective A.
I'm not over there, so if you guys are gonna die.
Cannon,
Well,
cannon,
that's not
whatever
my
you do, do not rob Crimson.
Oh god, it's shaking. Oh, and I think it's about to
Ah!
go. Oh! God. Cannon behind you! Cannon behind you!
He was actually not joking this time.
I'm not joking, there's literally people
Oh,
behind
I
you!
got a double kill.
I don't even
Well,
know
no,
where Zarya is because I can't see.
I became hard!
Oh god. That's what she always says.
Yeah, I just squeeze up in here now.
Stop squeezing me!
Squeeze, squeeze. Motherfucker!
No.
Apparently we can't play.
I'm giving you cancer.
I have to jump to get to face level.
Wait, Taki, this should be in the video. You should put this in the video.
Why? I think I'm recording of the last time we were doing this.
Because this is the return. I think my penis is depressed.
Oh, orisa gender
Cannon, I
confusion.
require assistance!
My ultimate is charging.
Oh yeah, give me that Viagra.
Orisa gender confusion.
Okay, no, Saku, look up. There you go.
Yeah! It's smacking my
No!
face.
No!
It's so big it slaps my face.
Get your role playing back there.
Yeah.
I don't know anymore.
Saku, aren't you glad you met us?
I'll go.
Whoa,
I'll
what was
help
that?
you out.
Okay.
Right there, I got scared, so I'm crouching into you.
I can't see a damn thing, you moron!
Can you not see right now?
I seriously can't see a damn thing. Thank you, you freaking whore. Really?
I got
Go
scared.
Go into the corner.
Where is he? There he is, I see him!
Go into another
Where
corner.
is he?
Stay alive. Gosh. I slipped the hog outside by the door. Take your Viagra.
Like how is it Saku and you can see it, there was a creaking?
Yeah, I couldn't see a single
This is
freaking
the
thing.
third time you've let me die.
Chris, don't worry, it's not you, I must know. Wait, who is that?
The other Bastion.
Oh god.
Yeah, but where is he?
Caused me death 3
He's
times.
Saku,
on
I'm
our
gonna
far
shove
left.
this power up you.
I've got you in my sight.
Just squeeze up in here.
Stop that!
No, out.
Enemies here.
Mine. It's mine. It's mine.
Will you stop this?
We're fighting over. Oh dear!
I'm sorry I let you die.
I need healing.
Then walk outside.
Wait,
I need healing.
the mercy.
No, there's a Bastion out there.
Oh, there is? Oh, there is.
Yes! That's why I'm staying in this
Oh
corner.
gosh, she's smacking me.
This will help.
Oh, she's smacking you around a bit.
Oh my god.
Hurry up. Get inside.
We probably have the most sexual group ever.
Are you guys seriously on me? Oh my god.
No, we
Every
are in you.
mandatory inside Saku meeting.
I'm sitting inside you.
Go.
What is this?
Nope,
The day we're
I
gonna.
got shot
we're
out.
gonna...
Okay.
Yep, there you go. Thank you.
Oh no,
You,
Saku's dead.
you all disappointed me. Thank you.
That was awesome.
My servants never die.
Oh, too late.
Wait, no, Saku's not here. I was gonna go inside him.
Good job. Good job. You guys are a bunch of morons. Why am I friends with y'all again?
Seconds remaining.
Our enemy's chances of success are die neither.
Please move behind the barrier.
I'm with you.
Nope.
Seconds remaining.
Everyone get inside Saku.
Stop it!
Saku.
No!
I brought protection.
No!
I really hope I'm
Wow.
inside of you.
Play of the game.
No, damn it.
Yeah, Spain got it because I was too busy
I
with
really hope you look
Crimson on me.
I stopped them all there, see?
Yeah, I was too busy having Crimson on my face.
I got scared. Just wanted to
Bull.
feel your.
Bull.
Epic.
Excellent.
Well, my cock is as big as a bull.
What was that?
Alright, I need to get going, guys.
Later,
bye.
everyone.